Hello, and welcome to our video on understanding initial coin offerings, or ICOs. An ICO is a fundraising method used by companies to raise capital for their projects or businesses. It involves the issuance of new digital tokens, or coins that are sold to investors in exchange for cryptocurrency or fiat currency. These tokens can be used to access the company's products or services, or they can be traded on crypto exchanges like traditional cryptocurrencies. ICOs have become a popular way for companies to raise funds, especially for those working in the blockchain and cryptocurrency industry. However, it's important to remember that ICOs are not regulated in most countries, which means they carry a high level of risk for investors. Before investing in an ICO, it's essential to do your due diligence and evaluate the potential of the project or business. Here are 5 things to consider when evaluating an ICO. Number 1. The team behind the project. Look at the experience and qualifications of the team members and advisors behind the project. A strong team with a relevant experience is a good indication of a well-managed project. Number 2. The project's white paper. This outlines the project's goals, strategies, and technical details. It's important to read and understand the white paper to get a sense of the project's potential. Number 3. The project's roadmap. This is a visual representation of the project's development timeline. It's important to see if the project has set realistic and achievable milestones. Number 4. The project's tokenomics. This refers to the project's token distribution, the total supply of tokens, and the token sales structure. It's important to understand how the tokens will be used and if they have a real-world use case. Number 5. The project's community and social media presence. Look at the project's community and social media presence to gauge the level of support and interest in the project. By considering these factors, you can make a more informed decision when evaluating an ICO. It's important to remember that investing in ICOs is highly speculative and carries a high level of risk. As always, only invest what you can afford to lose. It's worth noting that some countries have started to regulate ICOs, so it's important to check the most recent laws and regulations in your own country. It's wise to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more videos on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology.